So the question about how acupuncture works is something people have been perplexed about for the last 30 years. Scientists right now are coming up with all kinds of research finding that through functional MRI and all sorts of these advanced brain imaging studies, parts of the brain light up. If I'm, say, doing a vision point on the foot, you'll see the visual cortex light up in the brain scan imagery. So we know it works, and the question of how it works is something where some people say, okay, well, this is all quantum physics and it's all energy, and if you have to understand the universe in this phenomena of energy and consciousness in order to understand how acupuncture works. Other people sit right in the middle and say, look, it works at the neuromuscular junctions and it gets the muscles and the nervous system to work together better, and gets the layer of this thing called the fascia on top of the muscles to send a communication network of information back up to the brain telling, hey, you know what, relax, this shoulder is not something you need to grab on all the time. And then there's the absolutely mechanistic people that say, well, it's a local insertion that calls attention of the body's resources, whether it's the immune system or the blood, to go to the area for inflammation, and that helps it heal. I tend to sit somewhere in the middle of all of those. I studied with esoteric masters all over the world. I've done the energy qigong, I've done the meditation and all that. So there is this thing called energy. The proof is in the pudding. Once you can feel energy running between your own palms, you get it, right? However, yeah, I used to run a brain lab. We used to do a lot of research on this stuff, and I'm very interested to see where the Western science is catching up with this and how we can have both of those systems work together to enhance each other. And so the question of how acupuncture works is something that people are still working on, but the question of whether acupuncture works, that one's been dismissed a long time ago. The study after study has come in showing that this stuff works. There's no side effects. It's amazing in terms of how quickly and safely it can get the job done. And so it's really, it's a no-nonsense approach to trying to help yourself naturally.